Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. The toxic phrase we need to stop saying around the holidays. The phrase "let's work off all that Halloween candy" from a fitness instructor is problematic, as it promotes the harmful notion that you need to exercise in order to earn or deserve holiday treats. This mentality discredits the more important physical and mental health benefits of exercise, which should not be solely focused on burning calories. It also promotes harmful eating mindsets, such as feeling that you need to deserve or undo the damage from holiday foods, which can lead to disordered eating patterns. Experts recommend tuning into your body's natural hunger and fullness cues, and viewing food and exercise as neutral rather than as a moral experience. Instead of trying to work off holiday treats, focus on enjoying them mindfully and balance them with nutritious foods, staying hydrated, and engaging in physical activity for overall health and well-being. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.